Freedom of religion is protected because belief reaches deeply into conscience, identity, community, and meaning. For many people, religion shapes how they understand life, death, duty, family, and morality. A government that controls religion can control one of the most personal parts of human life. Law begins with a simple problem. People live together, disagree, make promises, cause harm, and sometimes abuse power. A society needs a way to decide what is allowed, what is forbidden, and what happens when rules are broken. Without law, the strongest person or group often decides the outcome. Religious freedom includes the right to worship, teach, gather, change beliefs, and have no religion at all. It protects minorities from being forced to follow the majority's faith. It also protects religious communities from state interference, as long as their actions do not violate other basic rights and laws. A concrete example is a dispute between two people who both believe they are right. Without law, the richer, stronger, or better connected person may win. With law, each side should have a chance to present claims, challenge the other side, and receive a decision based on rules known in advance. That does not guarantee a perfect result, but it changes the contest from raw pressure to structured judgment. But law is not just a list of commands. It needs procedures. Procedures decide who may accuse, what must be proved, who judges, what rights people keep, and how mistakes can be challenged. Those steps can feel slow, but speed without fairness can become injustice very quickly. History shows why this matters. Religious persecution has caused wars, expulsions, discrimination, and violence. When governments favor one faith too strongly or punish dissenters, citizenship becomes unequal. Protecting religion helps keep peace in diverse societies. The most important legal ideas are limits on power. Governments need authority to protect people, enforce contracts, and punish wrongdoing. At the same time, that authority must be controlled because police, courts, majorities, and officials can all make mistakes or act unfairly. Law matters most when it protects people who are unpopular, weak, accused, or outnumbered. This is why legal protections often seem most important during moments of anger or fear. When a crime is shocking, people may want punishment immediately. When a belief is unpopular, people may want it silenced. When a powerful institution is embarrassed, it may want evidence hidden. The law asks society to slow down enough to protect fairness, because rushed decisions can harm innocent people and weaken everyone's rights. Freedom of religion does not mean every religiously motivated action is allowed. Laws can still protect children, safety, equality, and public order. But the core principle is that conscience should not belong to the state. People must be free to seek truth, worship, doubt, or reject belief without coercion. The deeper lesson is that law is society's attempt to replace force with reasoned judgment. It cannot make people perfect, but it can create standards that make freedom, trust, and accountability possible.